Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best Budget AM5 motherboards in 2025. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Budget AM5 motherboards. The 5th product on our list is MSI PRO A620M-E. The latest chipset to come out with support for the AM5 socket is the A620 platform. It's aimed at entry-level builds running the 65-watt Ryzen 7000 CPUs. That's the non-X or non-X 3D versions, which is fine because the lower-power CPUs are also aimed at entry-level PCs. The MSI PRO A620M-E is currently one of the very few sub-$100 AM5 motherboards on the market. Some major compromises had to be made to get to that low price point. The X16 slot is limited to PCIe 4.0, as is the M.2 slot. Given the type of PC builds this motherboard will be used for, and the lack of any worthwhile PCIe 5.0 hardware, that's fine for most basic computing. It has one HDMI 2.1 output and one VGA, a rarity on modern motherboards, and possibly indicative of the basic workstation builds this is aimed at. It also has 3 3.5mm audio jacks for line-out or speakers, line-in, and microphone. MSI also dropped 2 RAM slots, leaving the PRO A620M-E with 2, which can use overclocking profiles rated up to 6,400 MHz. Given that DDR5 modules are dual-channel anyway, that still means effectively quad-channel if both are used. The other compromise is on the I/O panel, with only 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports and 4 USB-A 2.0 ports, though it also includes RJ45 Ethernet at 1 gigabit per second, 2 PS2 ports, and 3 audio ports for line in, mic in, and line out. Up next in 4th place is the Asus TUF Gaming B650 Plus Wi-Fi. The TUF line was my preferred motherboard series for the AM4 chipset, and this trend continues in the AM5 series. The TUF Gaming B650 Plus Wi-Fi brings gaming and productivity features that will give enough performance for most use cases, with the motherboard opting to add PCIe 5.0 M.2 support for fast storage options. You also get 2 PCIe 4.0 M.2 sockets, with all having heatsinks. It supports DDR5 with 4 slots, with speeds of up to 6,400 MHz. The 12+2 VRM power solution can support high-end Ryzen 7000 CPUs, thanks to 8-pin and 4-pin plugs for CPU power, while many B650 boards are limited to 65 watts. That's the core of the TUF Gaming B650 Plus Wi-Fi, but the rest of the features on this board are also impressive. It has 8 USB ports on the back I/O panel, with 3 running at 3.2 Gen 1 speed and 1 at the faster 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 spec. Asus added both HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4 ports for onboard graphics use, as Ryzen 7000 has an RDNA 2 iGPU on all chips. And while most B650 boards have 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, Asus also includes 2x2 Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. There are dedicated 3.5mm audio jacks for line-out headphones, line-in, mic, C, sub, and rear, although no SPDF for optical audio. The 6 PWM fan headers should be enough to cool a mid-range PC, and one is a slightly higher amperage for use with an AIO CPU cooler. The 3rd product on our list is the GIGABYTE A620I AX. When contrasted against ATX and mini-ITX form factors, the small size of mini-ITX motherboards restricts a lot of their functionality. But if you're in need of an ultra-portable PC, the GIGABYTE A620I AX is a worthwhile option. Starting with the VRMs, you're looking at 5+2+1 power stages. On a normal-sized motherboard, a VRM of such limited caliber would have been a no-go, though it can get the job done on a mini-ITX MOBO. On the RAM front, you only get 2 DDR5 memory slots that, sadly, can only hit a frequency of 6,400 MHz. The graphics card slot is PCIe 4.0 by 16, and the same holds for the single M.2 slot on the GIGABYTE A620I AX. Connectivity is one aspect where this budget mini-ITX MOBO surpasses most rivals. A total of 3 USB-A 3.2 ports, 2 USB-A 2.0 sockets, 1 USB Type-C connection, an Ethernet port, and 3 audio jacks make up the rear I/O ports. The inclusion of a BIOS flashback button makes updating BIOS and recovering from corrupted BIOS much easier. The second product on our list is the Asus ROG Strix B650EF Gaming Wi-Fi. Asus's ROG Strix B650EF Gaming Wi-Fi is a worthy choice for a more premium AM5 motherboard, while still keeping within a limited budget. It has a 12+2 VRM power delivery solution, and 8+4 pin power sockets similar to the more affordable TUF, this time rated for 80 amps. The additional E on the chipset brings new features. The top X16 slot is also PCIe 5.0, to go along with the primary M.2 slot. That gives some measure of future-proofing, as PCIe 5.0 graphics cards are still a ways off. Asus also stuffs the back I/O panel even further, with 1 USB-C 3.2 Gen 2x2 port and 10 additional USB ports, 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, 4 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, and 4 USB-A 2.0. Asus added both HDMI 2.1 and DP 1.4 for onboard graphics output. There are dedicated 3.5mm audio jacks for line-out or headphones, line-in, mic, CC sub, and rear, although no SPDIF for optical audio. There is a SPDIF header on the motherboard, but you'll need to purchase the adapter separately as it is not included. It also has Wi-Fi 6E and ROG Strix RGB accents, glowing from a darker aesthetic. The only thing that's not to like is the price, which, at nearly $300, is much higher than we've been used to paying for mid-range motherboards. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the GIGABYTE X670 AORUS Elite AX. With X670 motherboards serving as the premium variants of their B650 siblings, you wouldn't expect one to show up in an article about Budget AM5 MOBOs. However, the GIGABYTE X670 AORUS Elite AX is an exception to this rule, as it costs almost half as much as its X670 brethren. But don't let its cheap price fool you. The GIGABYTE X670 AORUS Elite AX packs a host of useful features under the hood. Starting with the cooling provisions, the MOBO packs a dual 16+2+2 VRM design, which is more than enough for most AMD. Storage-wise, it provides 4 SATA headers alongside 4 M.2 SSDs. When it comes to the RAM, the GIGABYTE X670 AORUS Elite AX lets you add up to 256 gigabytes worth of DDR5 memory clocked at 8,000 MHz. The connectivity options are also rock solid, as you get one 2.5 gigabit Ethernet RJ45 socket, 8 USB 3.2 Type-A ports, 4 USB 2 Type-A connections, 1 HDMI output, 1 DisplayPort socket, 1 USB Type-C connection, and 3 audio jacks. That said, the lack of debug LEDs is also a bit of a downer, as they can be a lifesaver during troubleshooting. But aside from these minor issues, the GIGABYTE X670 AORUS Elite AX is our favorite AM5 motherboard for those on a budget. That's all for our list of the 5 best budget AM5 motherboards on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.